Hello my dear students, welcome to CMI's online classes. In today's class for the students of Standard 8, we will study the new chapter from our English grammar, that is chapter 6, and the title of the chapter is Adverbs. That means in this video we will understand adverbs with their definition and how to identify them in sentences, what are the kinds of adverbs by their definition and examples, and we also understand the place and positions of adverbs in sentences, where adverbs are placed whenever we write sentences. Okay, and also the order of adverbs and the degrees of comparison of adverbs. So this chapter we have already understood in our previous classes, in our previous classes, because we already have this chapter. We already had this chapter in our previous class, that is class 7 also. But in class 8 we have something more to understand about adverbs, like order of adverbs and the degrees of comparison of adverbs. So now we will start the explanation of this chapter with the definition of adverbs. So what are adverbs? So adverbs are the words that qualify verbs, adjectives and other adverbs in sentences. So adverbs क्या है? Adverbs ऐसा शब्द है जो sentences में verbs को qualify करता है, verbs को describe करता है, adjectives के बारे में हमें बताता है और दूसरा adverbs के बारे में भी हमें बताते हैं. Okay, so what are the functions of adverbs? To describe or to qualify or to inform more about verbs. Okay, adjectives and other adverbs. Okay, so how we will understand with the help of examples in each kind of adverb. Like here in exercise A we have, if you see the book, the very first page of this chapter contains the warm-up section. That means warm-up exercise we have. Here exercise A, identify the errors in the use of adverbs in these sentences. So we have two sentences given here. So we have errors in the use of adverbs here. So here we will identify the error, but the explanation we will do later when we understand the place and position of adverbs here. Okay, so the sentence is, she loudly shouted at him. See here, she loudly shouted at him. So mostly adverbs are placed after the verbs they describe. Like the correct one is, she shouted loudly. Okay, because adverbs come after verb. So verb is shouted here. So जो भी adverbs होते हैं वो ज्यादातर verbs के तुरंत बाद यूज होता है. जैसे shouted verb है, उसके तुरंत बाद loudly adverb है. Understood? He admitted his fault never. So it depends upon the kind of adverbs that how they are placed. Like never, we will understand it. It is the adverb of frequency. So adverb of frequency ज्यादातर क्या होते हैं? verbs के आगे यूज होता है. Okay, like he never admitted his fault. Okay, so यहाँ पर never verb के आगे लगेगा because this is adverb of frequency. We will understand this at the later part of this video. Okay, most of the adverbs are just placed after the verb they describe or after the object. If the verbs carries object in sentences, then after the object also we can place adverbs, either after verbs or after objects in sentences. Okay, we will understand it in the later part of this video. Now exercise B of warm-up section, that is fill in the blanks as instructed. Fill in the blanks as instructed. So here in each we have given here we meet dash, adverb of frequency. Okay, this bag is dash heavy, adverb of degree. They set off for the picnic dash, adverb of manner. Okay, so all we have to use different kinds of adverbs here. Kinds of adverbs. All these are the kinds of adverbs. So kinds of adverbs depend upon how the adverbs qualify verbs. So किस तरीके से वो adverbs किसी भी verb के बारे में बताते हैं. So how do adverbs qualify verbs? Adverbs qualify verbs को qualify कैसे करता है? How do adverbs describe verbs? So adverbs किस तरीके से कोई भी verbs that means action को बताते हैं. So adverbs qualify verbs by telling the manner of action. That means how about the action. Okay, that is adverb of manner. When about the action. Okay, kahan. Adverb of time. Okay, adverb of time. Where about the action. जो काम हुआ है कहाँ हुआ है. Adverb of place. Okay, and how many times the actions take place. How often of the action. This is adverb of frequency. Okay, all these four adverbs qualify verbs, but as I told you that adverbs also qualify adjectives and another adverb. Okay, in that case अगर वो adverb adjective या तो दूसरे adverb को qualify करते हैं या describe करते हैं तो वो है adverb of degree. This we will understand in the later part of this video. So I am just explaining you so that we will be able to complete this exercise. Okay. So see here, we meet dash, adverb of frequency. We meet daily. So daily is the word that tells us about the how often of the action. Frequency means how often. So daily. Okay. So daily is adverb of frequency. This bag is dash heavy. Adverb of degree. So adverb of degree either qualifies adjective or another adverb. So here heavy is adjective. So kitna heavy? Very heavy. So very is adverb of degree. Very, so. Okay. Immediately. So there are so many words that are used as much, more. Adverb of degree. Okay. Now they set off for the picnic. Adverb of manner. How? Early. Early. Manner. Manner. So they set off for the picnic. वो लोग पिकनिक के लिए चले गए. कैसे? How? Happily. So happily tells us about the how of the action. So it is adverb of manner. Okay, now I have been asked to submit the project. Adverb of time. So I have been asked to submit the project today. So today is the word that tells us about the adverb of action of time. So it is adverb and it is the adverb of time. Understood? Now I think there is somebody standing. Adverb of place. I think there is somebody standing outside. So outside is the place of action. Where is the action taking place? Outside. So outside हमें place of action के बारे में बताते हैं. So it is an adverb. It is adverb of place. Okay. So we will understand all these kinds of adverbs very properly now. So listen to the explanation very attentively to understand each kind of adverb. Okay, students. See the kinds of adverbs. Kinds of adverbs. There are different kinds of adverbs. So mostly we have 5 kinds of adverbs. So mostly the kinds of adverbs depend upon how they qualify verbs and also how they describe adjectives and other adverbs. Okay. So the first kind of adverb is adverbs of manner. Manner. Adverbs of manner tell us about the how of the action. So जो भी काम हुआ है कैसे हुआ है. Okay. See, an adverb that tells us the manner in which an action takes place is called an adverb of manner. वो adverb, वो words, वो adverbial words जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि जो काम हुआ है कैसे हुआ है, how. Then those adverbs are adverbs of manner. Like the princess and the prince lived happily. Lived is verb, लेकिन कैसे जिए? Happily. So how did the princess and prince live? They lived happily. So happily is the word that qualifies the action of living. So happily is adverb and it is an adverb. It is the adverb of manner. The second example, the students listened to their teacher carefully. How did the student listen to their teacher? They listened carefully. So the action of listening is being done carefully. So carefully is adverb and it is the adverb of manner. Now the second kinds of adverb is adverbs of time. So as I told you, adverbs qualify verbs by telling us when of the action. So adverbs of time tell us about when the action took place. An adverb that tells us the time at which an action takes place is called an adverb of time. So वो adverb जो हमें action के time के बारे में बताते हैं कि वो जो काम हुआ है कब हुआ है, that is an adverb of time. Like he came yesterday. So what is the verb here? Came. So when is the action of coming taking place? Yesterday. So when did the action of coming take place? When did the action of coming take place? Yesterday. So yesterday tells us about the time of action. So yesterday is an adverb here. So it is an adverb of time. Okay. Now next example, he will come soon. So what is the verb here? Come. So when will he come? Soon. So soon is the word here that tells us more about the action of coming. But when? Soon. So soon is an adverb here and it is an adverb. It is the adverb of time because it tells us about the time of action. So those adverbial words that tell us about the time of action, when the actions take place, then those adverbs are adverbs of time. Okay. Now the third kinds of adverb is adverbs of place. Place. So adverbs of place tell us about the place of action. So adverbs of place are those adverbs that tell us about the action of place of action. Okay, where the actions take place. वो adverbs जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि जो भी काम हुआ है कहाँ हुआ है, तो वो adverb of place है. जैसे we are waiting outside. So what is the verb here? Waiting. So where is the action of waiting take place? Outside. So outside is the place where the action is being taken place here. So outside is an adverb here and it is the adverb of place. Okay. See. Next is let us sit inside. Let us sit. So what is the verb here? Sit. So where is the action of place of action taking place? Inside. So inside is the place where the action takes place here. So inside is an adverb here and it is the adverb of place. Understood? Now the fourth kind of adverbs is adverbs of frequency. So frequency means the frequent action, not the regular action. It tells us about the frequent action. How often about the action. जो काम हुआ कितने बार हुआ है. Like here we have the definition here. An adverb that tells us how often an action occurs is called an adverb of frequency. So यहाँ पर हमें बता रहे हैं कि वो adverbs जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि जो भी काम हुआ है कितनी बार हुआ है. Okay? Sometimes, many times, always, never, कितनी बार. Okay? So if those adverbial words that tell us about the how often of the action, then those adverbs are adverbs of frequency. Like example, I meet her daily. So I meet her daily. So the verb is meet here. So when do I meet her? Daily. So daily is the action. How often the action takes place here? Daily. So daily is adverb of frequency. He always helps me. How many times does he help me? Always. So how often the actions take place here? Action takes place here? Always. So this is adverb of frequency. Okay. Like often, always, daily, never, sometime, many times. All these are the examples of adverbs of frequency. Now, the another kind of adverbs here which does not qualify verbs but qualifies an adjective or another adverb. This is adverb of degree. Okay, an adverb that describe the intensity of an action, an adjective or another adverb is known as an adverb of degree. Okay, adverb of degree. जो भी काम हुआ है कितना हुआ है. Okay, how much of the action. For examples, her work is almost over. So her work is almost over. So here almost is the word that tells us about the intensity of action. Okay, over, but how much over? Almost over, nearly finished. So this is the adverb of degree. Okay, adverb of degree. So adverbs of degree हमें how much of the action के बारे में बताते हैं. Okay, और वो हमें एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में बताते हैं या तो वो हमें दूसरे एडवर्ब के बारे में बताते हैं. ओके, लाइक वी हैव एग्जांपल हियर, जया इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. सो ब्यूटीफुल इज एन एडजेक्टिव हियर. ओके, सो वी आर टेलिंग अबाउट द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ हर ब्यूटी. सो हाउ मच ब्यूटी इज सी? इज जया वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. सो वेरी इज द वर्ड दैट हियर describe or qualify adjective. So here if the word that qualifies adjective, that is also an adverb, and here the word very is used to qualify the adjective beautiful here. So here the word very is adverb and it is the adverb of degree. Dad was rather busy. Rather busy. Okay, so here busy is adjective here. So how much is my father busy? Rather busy. Okay, so rather is the word that qualify adjective here. Now see here, he drove quite dangerously. He drove quite dangerously. If you write he drove dangerously, then also the sentence is correct. But dangerously, here dangerously is also an adverb here. Okay, what is the intensity of danger here? Quite. So quite is the word that is qualifying another adverb here. So it itself is also an adverb and it is the adverb of quite is adverb of degree. Okay, I hope you have understood all the kinds of adverbs. We have 5 kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, and adverbs of degree. Okay, so in our another video we will understand the place and position of adverbs and also the degree of comparison of adverbs. Okay, so this much for today's class, students. I hope you have already understood adverbs and the kinds of adverbs very properly. If any confusion is still there, kindly inform me during the class hour so that we can solve all the problems and confusion and move ahead properly. Okay, thank you so much, students.